Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you image dehazing project using Python.
You need to upload notebook. Okay, you can go and just browse it. You just need to open the collab and then from here, okay, once you upload this, you will get this. Okay, just a second. Yeah, okay, so these are the tabs. You can download, delete these ones. Okay, not needed, not necessary. Okay, just this one. Okay, and then this one and this one. Okay, just 3 cells you need. Okay, once you upload it, just go to the edit. Okay, and then notebook setting. Okay, if it is selected, if this one is selected, then you need to select T4 GPU. Okay, and then save it. Okay, once you save it, you can see here this T4 here. Okay, if you don't see it, then you need to do it again. Just disable it and click on CPU, save it, and again go there and select the TP1, GPU1, T4 GPU. Okay, this one. Okay, save it. Okay, I have done it already, so I'm doing it again. Okay, so once that is done, then you need to click here on upload. Okay, and then go to your model and select this DS format, press apply, and then just click it. Okay, if you click it, it will get uploaded. Okay, and then same way you just need to input the upload the images also. Okay, from there select it and just upload it. Okay, so once that is done, you just need to wait once that is uploaded. Okay, once here it will be at the bottom, you can see the progress of upload this modern image. Okay, once that is done, then just go here, select the copy path. Okay, and then this is the model path, so I'm gonna put it here, like I have already done it, model path. Okay, and then I will go to select and copy the image path, and I'll copy it over here. Okay, and this the output image, if you want to, you can keep it. Okay, just you need to give this path like content you need to add, and here also save directory content you can just add here. Okay, and this here model underscore name, you can see here. I guess in your code this might be like this. Okay, so you need to do it update like this. Okay, this one. Okay, because this one is this function, this one only, so you need to keep it like same. Okay, once everything is done, or like all the images and models uploaded, okay, everything is done, then you need to go here, and then here one by one, like here I'm running it again, like you need to run it. Okay, once it is done, let's go down. Okay, the first cell is done, we'll go to the next cell. Okay, and then we'll run it. Okay, okay. So once that is done, then you need to run this cell. You can see here it will show output here like this. Okay, you just need to change the paths. Okay, whatever the paths are here, copy it and give it.
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.